If you want to change your X.com or Twitter name, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update your display name in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you're rebranding, updating your personal profile, or just want a fresh new name on your account. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X and make sure you're logged into the account you want to edit. On the left-hand sidebar, click Profile. This takes you directly to your public profile page, where your name, bio, and other account details are displayed. Once your profile loads, look to the right side of the screen and click the Edit Profile button. This is where you can change different parts of your profile, including your name. Now you'll see the profile editing screen. Find the field labeled Name. This is the display name that appears on your profile and in posts. Click inside that box and type your new name. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear. Since this is the name people will see on X, you can use your real name, a brand name, or any name that fits your profile. After entering your new name, take a moment to double-check it for spelling or formatting. If everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Save. Once you do that, X will update your profile name right away. That's it. Your X.com or Twitter name has been changed successfully. If you want more easy social media tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, and if this video helped you out, please give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.